So we're moving into novice stock. The start line has a few more racers, but the ones competing in this class are Max Carter, Elena Fisk, Scott Benson, and Tyler Landry. To the 5-lap race. Women's runabout, take their place on the start line. Women's runabout. That'd be Dawn Cox, Teresa Magana, and Kim McKay. We're looking for those runabouts on the start line. It's your first call for beginner ski. Nathan Clements, Blaine Ruck, Matthew Melton, Garrett Thiessen, Andrew Nelson, Marcus Boyle. Hayden Kirkpatrick, I think, has moved to novice. Eric Salter, Trinity Collector, Stephen Gonzalez. Women's runabout to the start line. And first time by. Looks like your leader out there is Scott Benson. Of course, Curtis Pittman's out there too. Curtis is not a novice rider. In second place, you got Max Carter. Runabout women, we got Kim McKay on the start line. Dawn Cox making her way to the start line. And Teresa Magana warming up her blaster. So your women's runabout class features an all-Oregon field. So Dawn Cox is going to take the inside line. Teresa Magana the center, and Kim McKay is going to take the outside line. You're watching the novice stock out there on the water. That's Tyler Landry making his way by. This is Tyler's first weekend of racing. And here comes your race leaders. Scott Benson out there in front. Curtis Pittman. Oh, Curtis Pittman steals that lead. Of course, Curtis is an expert rider now. Here comes Max Carter in second place. Ian Benson, a pro rider on a Scott ski, just getting some extra laps in. And your third place rider right now, Elena Fisk. Elena is 15 and she's out there with these competitors. She's from the Olympia area. Elena's 16. You can see Elena out there picking up the makeup buoy. She missed one last lap. She takes the makeup buoy and heads back into the course. Coming around for your white flag here in a second. Looks like Scott Benson still out in front. With a couple of pro riders right behind him. Your race leader with one lap to go, Scott Benson. Curtis Pittman giving you a good run. Second place, Max Carter heading down the front stretch. Co-rider Ian Benson out there getting the workout. In third place, we got Tyler Landry followed by Elena Fisk. We're on our last lap.
These guys have swapped places more times than I can count.
Keep watching those lead two skis. You got a expert rider on that 723. And you got a novice rider on the green and black ski out front. Both of these racers been to world finals. Scott's holding on to that lead. He made the trip down here from the Spokane Coeur d'Alene area. Albert Curtis steals inside line. Oh, Scott gets to the finish first. Curtis came down from Snohomish. Or Lake Stevens, sorry, Lake Stevens. Max Carter in second place. Ian Benson, pro rider in there, getting some laps. Your third place rider coming around looks like Elena Fisk. Elena Fisk in third place, and she shows how rough that water can be. Rounding up your field, Tyler Landry coming to the finish line. Tyler takes the checkered flag. This is his second day of racing. If you look down to the start line, we got one of our women out there now, Dawn Cox, Marisa Magana, and King McKay, all Oregon field.